So here's the dirty little secret if you're using AI to do company or competitive research. Everybody thinks that AI can read and understand the internet, the open web, and that's just flat out wrong. Humans, we see websites, we see layout, we see structure, we see images, signals, we see intent. Most AI, it doesn't see any of that. It scrapes, and then it tries to predict, and it fills in the gaps that it doesn't understand. We know that independent research from Columbia University's Toe Center found that AI search tools are actually wrong more than 60% of the time when citing open web content. They're confidently wrong, not sometimes, more than half the time. That's not intelligence, that's real risk. So if you want accuracy, you just have to pay for it. You hire consultants, you wait 3 to 8 months, you spend $50,000 to $250,000 for a report that arrives after the markets probably has already changed. Aurora fixes all of that. We built an engine that just sees what others can't. Aurora reads the internet like a human. See for yourself. So we use a multi-layer proprietary technology to turn ordinary websites into information that AI can read with 99% accuracy versus the 40 to 57% that the best AI models themselves claim that they can achieve. It understands what companies do, how they go to market, and where your real opportunities are with 99% accuracy. We made Aurora so simple to use to get decision-grade intelligence for real capital allocation. All you do is you paste in the URL of the company that you want to research, whether you want to sell to them, whether you want to invest in them, buy them, merge with them. Then you tell Aurora what you sell. Do you sell financial services? Do you sell marketing, manufacturing goods, professional services? And then you tell Aurora a little about who you are. So are you in sales, consulting, private equity? That's it. That's all Aurora needs to give you real decision-grade intelligence. In under 90 minutes, Aurora will deliver ranked opportunity maps that considers both the impact as well as the complexity of each and every opportunity, a complete SWOT analysis, their strategic priorities, your risk signals, real monetizable strategy tailored to your goals. It's not just research, it's decision infrastructure. We see it all the time. Most tools just solve one problem. So you've got research over here, you've got competitor data over there, you've got scripts, signals, you've got strategy, and it's all disconnected. Aurora solves the entire decision-making journey. So what used to take a team 6 months and 6 figures, Aurora does it in under 90 minutes. And it's more accurate, it's more actionable, no big consultants required. Aurora is not a chatbot. It is not a cute little search engine, and it's definitely not another AI gimmick. It's the new way to understand your market with complete competitive clarity. In fact, you'll probably wind up knowing more about your competitors than they know about themselves, and you'll be able to make decisions with both speed and confidence. You just paste in the URL, you set your goal, and that will allow you to so simply see what others miss. This is what Aurora is all about. So for serious operators that are ready for complete competitive clarity right now, without the big price tag, without all the waiting, and without all the errors, hit the link in the description below, and I'll set you up with a demo so you can see Aurora for yourself.